we need to go to the App Store, do a search for Teams, download and install the app. When we sign into Teams, we need to use our full email address. And let's create a new team. And when we're done, hit the confirm button at the top. As we walk through this demo using our phone, we'll keep an eye on the Teams desktop in the background. If we hit the three dots next to the team name, we can choose Edit Team. And let's change the team name and add a description. To add more people to the team, we can choose Manage Members. Hit the big button at the bottom there, do a search for our colleagues, and hit the confirm button. As the team owner, we have the power to remove users as well. And if we want our colleague to also be a team owner as well, we can hit the three dots next to their name. We can also add a channel. Hit the three dots for the channel itself, and we can pin this channel to the top. So Teams is here, mobile phone over there. We can manage our team on the go.